Error 503 in Roblox means service unavailable. This indicates that the Roblox servers are temporarily unable to handle requests. Think of it like a busy signal. The servers are overloaded or undergoing maintenance. Common causes include high player traffic during peak hours or events, ongoing server maintenance or updates being performed by Roblox, network issues on Roblox's end, preventing them from processing requests. The error is typically temporary, and the problem is on Roblox's side, not yours. First, check the Roblox server status page at status.roblox.com to see if there's a known outage or maintenance. You can also check their social media channels like Twitter, X, or Discord for updates. If there's a confirmed outage or maintenance, patience is key. The problem will resolve itself once Roblox fixes their servers. Try again later, especially during peak hours. Next, try restarting your device, whether it's a computer, phone, or console. This can refresh your network connection and sometimes resolve connectivity issues. Make sure your internet connection is stable and working properly. Although the 503 error is usually on Roblox's end, a poor connection can sometimes make the problem worse. As a last resort, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies if using a web browser or reinstalling the Roblox app. While this is less likely to solve a 503 error, it can sometimes help with other connectivity issues. If the 503 error continues for an extended period, several hours or more, contact Roblox support. Provide details about when the error started and what troubleshooting steps you've already attempted.